guys, it's Kara. Welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. And today I have for you January 2020 Ultimate Spoilers for IPSY. So, you probably have questions. I have questions. Does the Ultimate Bag still even exist? Are people still subscribed to it? And if so, why? And most importantly, is the dumpster fire that is the IPSY Ultimate Bag still raging? I'm here to answer some of those questions today, so let's take a look at it. Here's the IPSY box. It's pink, it's rectangular, and according to most reviews, it's full of disappointment. It costs $50. You get 8 alleged full-size items, and you get 4 deluxe items for a total of 12 items. Not only that, but you'll get a bag. And the bags have been different in shape and style, like a train case, or last month's bag was like a silver, it looked like a wrapped aluminum meatloaf, but this one, it looks like a little suitcase, and it has pink trim, and it's made of plastic or something, and there's a marble design. And speaking of marble design, we have 2 options that are marble that could be in your Ultimate Bag. They are both by Foxy Bay, and one is a mini curling wand, and one is a mini travel flat iron. So I happened to see the mini travel flat iron in the marble design just recently at Marshall's, and I will link that up in the upper right hand corner to click on it, or in the description box below. And that's one of my Marshall's TJ Maxx makeup shop with me trips. But anywho, I saw it and it was under $20, so I don't know what the websites are saying it's worth, but it's pretty obvious that IPSY is using the same liquidators as TJ Maxx. Next we have the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray by This Works. This is a spray that you spray on your pillow, and it's supposed to smell nice and help you sleep more soundly. It seems very gimmicky, and there's a whole bunch of these pillow sprays all over TJ Maxx and Marshall's for, I don't know, maybe about $5. And if you weren't feeling sleepy before, I think you're going to start dozing off, because the next 2 are the Double Duty Beauty Easy on the Eyes Clay Liner in Black from Tarte. Yes, another black eyeliner. Or also, we have the Balm Cosmetics Meet Matrimony Matte Eyeshadow Palette. And yes, it's a bunch of neutrals, and it's matte, and I'm feeling sleepy just reading these words. You can also get this palette by the Balm Cosmetics. This one is What's the Tea Iced Tea Eyeshadow Palette, and it has mattes and shimmers, as well as 2 primers that apparently can change the look of those shades. And this is for sale currently for $36 at the Balm's website. And just so you know, the Balm is currently only being sold at places like Kohl's, or Target, or Walmart, or Walgreens. Next up is the Touch Flesh Highlighter Stick, and you can get this in the shades Pinky, Twitch, Squeeze, or Startle, and hopefully they have a good shade matching system, because it does seem that one shade could be right for 4 different types of skin tones. You could also get a product from Sweet Chef. Sweet Chef is a line that was produced by Glow Recipe and launched at Target in January of this year. And you could get the vitamin A serum shot or the kale and vitamin B serum shot. And these retail for $19.99. You also could receive a Tarte Tarte's Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in Front Row or in the shade Festival. And these retail for $27, and they have a 3.8 star rating on Sephora with over 1,000 reviews. And what I believe one of the items in the IPSY Ultimate will be for January is going to be another complex culture brush. If you're not familiar with the entire complex culture situation, IPSY itself created a corporation, and that corporation created Complex Culture Beauty. And Complex Culture Beauty started off its company by introducing first these brushes. So after these brushes are rolled out enough and have basically appeared in everyone's bags, there's going to be more complex culture beauty products coming in. And when you look at these brushes, IPSY tells you that they are a $35 value, but you have to recognize that that value is being assigned or just attributed to these brushes by IPSY itself. If you look at the website, you see that there are 0 reviews on any of these brushes, and also if you compare them to well-known and well-respected brushes like Sigma, you'll find that some of these complex culture beauty brushes are priced more expensively than Sigma. So a $35 complex culture bronzing brush, I do believe, is more expensive than the Sigma bronzing brush. I currently have a giveaway going on, so I'll leave the link to my week 3 of my December weekly palette giveaway. I'll leave that right in the description box down below, as well as a link to sign up to IPSY if you are so inclined. And let me know in the comments below if you are an Ultimate member, if you do like it so far, and what do you think of these spoilers for January? Do you think Ultimate is getting better? Do you like the complex culture brushes? I'd like to know. And thanks so much for watching, you guys. Please hit the like button and stick around and subscribe. And I will see you at the next one. Bye, guys.